Hello everyone. You know what happened today? My friend called me today and she said my dog was barking continuously last night, and I was like, oh Lord, is that even possible? And she replied, why? Why not? But it's not. Why? I'll tell you. The word continuously means never ceasing. Never ceasing means something which never stops. Going and going and going. It does not have any stop button. So once started, it's just going. For example, reverse flow continuously, right? So anything which is never ending, for that we use the word continuously. Continuously is an adverb. Its adjective form is continuous. Okay, continuous, continuously. Let's take one more example. It has been raining continuously since morning. Means the rain has not stopped till now. Not even for a minute. Okay. Now let's go to the word continually. Continually is also an adverb and its adjective form is continual. Continual means something which starts, then stops, then starts, then stops, then again starts and then again stops. Means it is not something which never stops. It's taking place frequently and regularly, but there is a start and stop button. So actually, my friend should have said, my dog was barking continually. Because continuously is not possible. It's a dog and dogs get tired. So it's a continual action, not continuous action. Now how to remember the difference? Whenever you have to use any of these terms, just think that the action that you are describing ever stops or not. If it stops, you have to use the word continual or continually. If it never stops, then you have to use the word continuous or continuously. I will tell you one more mistake. Let's take one more example. My teacher shouts at me continuously. Is it possible? No, she or he is a human. It's not humanly possible. Yeah, if he or she is God or a monster, then that may happen. But humanly, it's not possible. So my teacher shouts at me continually, not continuously. I hope you have understood the difference between these two words. This is Anushree signing off. Thank you.